we are going to make fruit and nut pancake. To make the fruit and nut pancake, we need flour. 125 grams of white flour we need, along with that butter, about a tablespoon. 1 egg. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Sultanas, 30 grams. Cherries, 30 grams. And along with that, cashew nuts also, about 30 to 40 grams. And pumpkin seeds, that also about 30 grams I have taken. And honey. Along with that, we need salt and vanilla essence. Yes, now we are going to make the pancake mixture. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make 6. I'm just making about 1 or 2 only. I'm going to make, not a lot. So along with that, I need butter. Salt. We need a little bit of salt. Butter, flour, salt, I have put. Mix it well. Egg. One egg I'm adding, but if it is not enough, we can add milk. 6 dessert spoons I put. For the time being, I didn't use the whole thing. If I'm using the full amount of flour, then I will use sometimes 2 eggs also. Good to use 2 eggs too. Fresh milk is better. The milk is not enough, I can add a little water also. Just going to make 2 pancakes for you. The main ingredient I didn't use, no. Baking powder. Now for this amount, half a teaspoon I am using baking powder. Mix these ingredients together. Sultanas. Pumpkin seeds. Cherries. Cashew nuts. Dry fruits only we use. Now we will use a little vanilla essence. Now I will use a little bit of salt. Salt is very important. So add the salt into it. Gives a better taste. So we will mix all these together. The pancake mixture is ready now. We put everything that is needed here except the honey. We'll see when we are going to put the honey. Now I will light the cooker. And of course, I'll put a little butter. Pan has to be warm. Now I will lift the pan. You get to see. Or I off the cooker because it has to be warm. Now I off it and then I put the mixture. The mixture has to be nicely mixed into this. will add the fruits also. I didn't still on the cooker. It will start baking. Then I won't be able to add the rest of the ingredients. See, will you, what I'm using here? Right. Now I on this. Okay. I don't like when it gets burnt. Oh. I have taken a new pan, so I was wondering whether it is slippery. Right, it's good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm adding a little bit of honey over this. After putting the honey, I don't think I have to wait for a while. We can even later on, even I can put the honey, but it's nice to have it like this. See, that's how you make this pancake. Something different to the normal pancake mixtures. So I have done this for you so that you can see how it comes, because I don't want this to be burnt again. My pancake is ready. Only thing, no shape. I have taken the second pancake, but I didn't use the honey into that. Now, after taking it only, I'm going to add honey. Both ways you can do. That's why I wanted to show you that, how I am doing it. Right, the honey I put it. Right, so, because to the pancake mixture, we didn't add sugar. And there is no sugar at all. We have put honey, all the fruits are there, so it is sweet enough. Now, this is to be served. So, if it is to be served, the taste will be really nice. Cut the pancake. It's nice, sweet and tasty. Something different to the normal pastries like. That is the pancake mixture. It's looking really nice and tasty. The pancakes are ready and you can see how it looks. I told you, something different to the normal preparation. So try it out and see how it comes. It is really nice. When guests comes, you can give. When your children come from school, you can give them. It is really good, and I would say it is really good for health and healthy preparation also. And you can make it with even atta flour, any flour that you like. You can use whatever flour you want or the white flour, and prepare this and see how it comes, right? The taste, absolutely super.